Hey everybody, Anthony from Tactipack here. I just want to show you, and I got, it was sent on August the 3rd, and I got it today, which is the 13th, and it came in from China. So that's pretty quick, 10 days from China. And what it is, I ordered from Crown Airsoft a Glock 19. It's in 2 packages, I guess, because of international law. But I ordered a Glock 19 airsoft gun. Gas blowback for training with holsters. So if you can't go to the range all the time, this is a great option. But you can see it's packed super well and comes in a nice box. They give you a little patch too, that's pretty cool. Anyway, there's the lower. Made in Taiwan, actually. Shipped from China. Interesting. Well, I guess Taiwan is China. Maybe Taiwan is China, China's Taiwan, I don't know. So that's the lower unit. And they have to separate them again because of international law. It actually comes with some back straps. And I'll put this up next to real Glock 19 so you can see how close they are. But it looks really, really good. And here's the slide, if I can figure out how to open it. I'll probably scratch it with my knife. But anyway, if you're looking for a cost-effective training option, I mean, look at that. It's powder coated and everything. I'm gonna make sure I put these on the same way. I guess they go on the same way. I'll probably mess it up. So anyway, I'm gonna read the instructions and I'll get back to you on that part of how to put them together. But it's a really good looking airsoft unit, and I'll show you a little more on it later. As always, thank you for making the choice to defend yourself and those you love. God bless you and yours.